everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a headlight restoration on these Mazda Speed 3 headlights, and this can be applied to any vehicle that you have. These are actually for a buddy of mine. His name is Kenny. He is allowing me to do a headlight restoration on his headlights. I actually got these for him from a junkyard because one of his headlights actually have a huge crack, so he doesn't want to spend too much money on a brand new one. So I got these for a really good deal. I wanted to do a headlight restoration before I send it to him. A huge shout out to him, and I'll make sure to link his social media description below. So basically, the restoration kit we are going to be using is Cerakote. Now, I have been using these for a very long time. I've been doing headlight restorations for over like 6 years, I would say. I actually went with like Turtle Wax, Meguiar's, Rust-Oleum, Rain-X, you name it. But these are actually one of my favorite ones, and probably the favorite ones by far. We are going to be cleaning these first, and then we can apply the restoration kit on the headlights itself. And yeah, you can also see my Mazda Speed is actually being wrapped in a new color. So I actually removed the old color from the vehicle, so I'll make sure I'll put another video for you guys, and we'll see how that goes from there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this cleaned up before we do the restoration on these Mazda Speed 3 headlights. And yeah, let's get started. Alrighty everybody, so this is what comes with the Cerakote kit. Comes with 6 oxidation remover wipes, and that allows to remove the oxidation from the headlight itself. The second thing it comes with is these sandpaper right here and the spongy handle, I'm assuming. So it comes with the 2 discs that are 2000 grit, and it comes with 2 discs that are like 3000 grit. So you would after that sand it, make sure it's smooth and nothing is going to scratch it, because these are very fine sandpaper. And the last thing that it comes with the ceramic clear coating, and this will basically give that clear coat on the lens itself, and that will last so long, and it will protect the headlight from like being oxidized in the future. It also comes with gloves, so this stuff doesn't get in your hand or in your paint. So when you apply something like this, make sure you wipe it right away, because you don't want that paint to be damaged. What you need before you apply this stuff is some soapy water, isopropyl alcohol, and some microfiber towels. So let's go ahead and clean these headlights first, and we'll go ahead to the restoration kit. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and spray this headlight with the soapy water right here. So here's a good cleaning. Just by cleaning it with soapy water, it eliminates like a lot of the debris from the headlight itself. Alright, next what you want to do is grab yourself some isopropyl alcohol. This way we can dry the lens completely. Alrighty everybody, so now we are going to be beginning with the process of the restoration kit from Cerakote. And basically what you want to do is you want to grab one of the gloves that they provide. They use 3 for each headlight, so you just want to wipe it down. Every time it gets yellow, you go to the next wipe. So we'll go ahead and do that. So this is the wipe right here. You just want to go ahead and use a circular motion. Just wipe it down completely, and that'll remove all of the oxidation from the headlight itself. So just keep wiping it for like a minute or two, use the second wipe, do that same process again, and then use the third wipe until it's like a little bit yellowish. And this is all of the yellow oxidation that's coming off from the headlight, which is pretty disgusting. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep doing this. Okay, here is the final result for the first wipe. So I'm gonna use the second wipe. All right, here's the second wipe. Let's go ahead and keep doing this. Okay, and here is the second one, and it is pretty disgusting, and even my glove, it's like a lot of oil in it, so that's why you want to use gloves so it doesn't get into your hand. And make sure this doesn't come onto your paint, and if it does, make sure you wipe it with dry microfiber towel right away. Alright, let's go ahead and use the final oxidation remover wipe. Okay, and here is the final wipe, and it's still absolutely yellowish and disgusting actually. So let's go ahead and wipe this down with the microfiber towel so we can go ahead to the next step. Alright, so now we have dried the headlights. We want to go ahead and do the sanding process. So what you want to do is use the 2000 grit sandpaper, which is the red disc. Place it on the handle, the spongy handle, and use some just water, not soapy water, and spray it down. And you want to do wet sand on the headlight itself. Make sure while sanding, you don't go circular motion, you want to go left and right. If you feel the sandpaper is not going, or you feel harshness, just keep spraying water until it's smooth. Okay, after you finished sanding with the 2000 grit, you want to go ahead and spray it with the water again. And then we're going to go ahead and wipe it down with a dry microfiber towel. Okay, once you have dried the headlights, you want to make sure you want to go ahead to the next step, which is using the 3000 grit sandpaper. So I'll go ahead and remove this. And it's probably stuck a little bit. Okay, here's that. And then we'll go ahead and use the 3000 grit, and then just keep doing the wet sanding process again. Okay, so once you have finished using the 3000 grit sandpaper, you want to go ahead and make sure that this is completely bone dry, so there is no water around it whatsoever, before we apply the ceramic clear coat onto the headlight itself. Alright everybody, it's time to do the third step, and that is applying the ceramic clear coat right here. This is your final step, and you want to make sure that you use also gloves as well. If it does go onto your paint, make sure you wipe it down immediately. And then I'm also gonna use another microfiber towel and bone dry this as well. Okay, this is completely dry. There is no water whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the clear coat. Make sure you use the gloves right here so it doesn't get to your hand. Okay, and here is the wipe right here. Okay, so the way you want to apply this ceramic clear coat onto your headlight is you want to go from the top to the bottom. And the reason why you want to do this is because if you go from the bottom to the top, you'll actually find drips coming on to the headlight itself and it won't look good. So make sure you go from the top, and also do a pass through 50-50. So you want to go ahead and overlay it 50%. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's one right here. Okay. Okay, and that is it. And you only want to do one single coat. You don't want to go over it, and that's because if you do two coats, it will have like this weird shape, I guess, or it will have like too much coating on the headlight itself. So just keep it one, because this is actually a very thick coat right here. But yeah, this is the final result. So you want to keep this at least an hour or two in the ventilated area. And yeah, that's about it. Alright everybody, so I went ahead and let the headlight dry for at least 1 hour, and the results are absolutely phenomenal. Like, the results are incredible, so I cannot wait to share it with you guys, because if they look that good, I don't know what will. So here is the lights right here, and man, this thing is so shiny. Look how clear this is. So like I said, we went ahead and used the oxidation wipes, all three of them on one headlight. We sanded down from 2000 to 3000, and we used a ceramic clear coat that's provided by Cerakote. I let it dry for like 1 hour, and man, this thing is insane. So now, like, whenever someone is driving on the road and they want to use their lights at night, they can project the light even better than this one right here. So look how old and dull this thing is. All of this yellow oxidation, all of this dust and debris, and like I can't even see what's inside. I can't even see this bulb right here, and look how so shiny this is. Like, I can see my reflection. It's absolutely insane. So yeah, this is about it. So I'm so happy I went with this restoration kit from Cerakote. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side for Kenny before I send it to him. I actually do recommend letting it dry for at least 24 hours, just in case. And then also, if you want some extra protection and let the headlights last longer, you can also use PPF, which is paint protection film. That way there is no rock chips that's going to hit the headlight itself, and then also it will protect it and last longer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one right here, and I might actually do mines as well before I put the new wrap as well. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see how that goes from there. Alright everybody, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, because I really do love doing this type of stuff, and especially restoring parts like this. And if you guys want to know where I bought this Cerakote restoration kit, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. And a huge shout out to my buddy Kenny for allowing me to do a restoration on his headlights. I'm gonna give him a very small gift from me to him, and that is some carbon fiber mirror caps for his Mazda Speed 3, and these actually fit on regular Mazda 3s, so I'll make sure to link also these in the description below. They actually look amazing and they look fantastic, so I might actually get me a set of these as well for my own Mazda Speed 3. In the next video or two, I am going to show you guys the unwrapping process of my Mazda right here. And I'm really excited to share with you guys my new color of the wrap. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.